Dear viewers, hi, my name is Joe Rubenfeld. Thanks very much for joining and listening. As a graduate in electrical engineering from Carnegie Mellon University and in computer science from Pitt, I learned to be open to new innovations and ideas. After all, when I started with computers, most people didn't even know what the word meant. The story I'm about to tell you will boggle your mind. It is a what's wrong with this picture situation. If I weren't personally involved, I wouldn't believe it myself. But I promise you, every word is true. Hey, I've never lied to you before, right? So here's the scoop. In a nutshell, this is the story of an amazing breakthrough cure for cancer that may never make it to the marketplace. Now you may be thinking that this is another one of those big bad FDA stories about so many drugs that never make it through to FDA approval. However, this case is not the fault of the FDA, at least not directly. Rather, this is the result of academic incompetence. In the 1980s, I met and became friends with a Dr. Matthews. Dr. Matthews, an MD PhD, is a professor of medicine at a major American university. He discovered the cure for cancer. It is a drug that works on all types of cancers very quickly and with no side effects. It has been tested in petri dishes, on mice and primates, and a small number of human patients with impressive results. That's the good news. He discovered this cure a number of years ago. He published it in prestigious journals such as the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences and others. The drug was patented. The university owns the rights to the patent. Over the years, the university has licensed it 3 times to companies to bring this amazing breakthrough to the market. Each of the licensees had impressive medical credentials. The first 2 of these companies failed to raise the funds to even start phase 1 human trials, so they backed out. It seems that the large pharmaceutical companies won't consider investing in a new drug until it is completed at least phase 1 or phase 2 clinical trials. Now it looks like the 3rd licensee is also failing. It has been more than 2 years, and they also have not even begun phase 1 human trials. Unfortunately, this breakthrough may become lost to humanity. That's the bad news. My doctor friend, the inventor, is extremely frustrated. I feel very bad for him, and I feel even worse for humanity. The importance of this drug cannot be overstated. With 1,500 Americans dying from cancer every day and over 8 million people a year worldwide, I would not be surprised if you know someone who has been touched by cancer. If so, I don't have to tell you how important it is that this drug get to the market to save lives. About a year ago, I met a doctor in Mexico who has actually tried this drug on several of his patients, and he believes that this is the best drug for treating cancer. He told me that for just $2 million, he can have clinical trials performed in Mexico to get the Mexican equivalent of our FDA, which is called COFEPRIS, in just a year to a year and a half. So I have applied to a number of different venture capitalists, angel groups, high net worth individuals, and cancer support and research organizations, but so far have not succeeded in raising the necessary funding. That is why I'm coming to you, dear friends, for help to defeat this horrific disease and save many lives. For each $50,000 that we raise, we can treat a cancer patient in Mexico as part of clinical trials. This is a non-profit venture. All donations are tax deductible. Won't you please help? Thank you very much.